Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 23, Campaign Organization. You'll learn about organizing your PPC campaigns for optimal performance and management. Here's a breakdown of key points. 1. Campaign structure. Divide your campaigns based on products, services, or other relevant categories. Each campaign should have a clear goal and target audience. 2. Ad groups. Create ad groups within each campaign that focus on specific themes or keyword groups. This allows for more targeted ad copy and landing pages. 3. Keywords. Use relevant keywords that align with your campaign goals. And target audience. Group similar keywords together within ad groups for better organization and management. 4. Ad copy. Write compelling ad copy that includes relevant keywords and a clear call to action. Tailor your messaging to each ad group to improve relevance and performance. 5. Budgeting. Allocate your budget strategically across campaigns based on their performance and importance. Monitor. 6. Ad extensions. Use ad extensions to provide additional information and improve ad visibility. Examples include site links, callouts, and structured snippets. 7. Tracking. Set up conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Track key metrics such as clicks, impressions, and conversions to optimize performance. 8. Optimization. Regularly review and optimize your campaigns based on performance data. Make adjustments to keywords, ad copy, and targeting to improve results. 9. Testing. Conduct A/B testing to compare different ad variations and strategies. Use the results to refine your campaigns and improve performance over time. By organizing your campaigns effectively and following these best practices, you can create more targeted and successful PPC campaigns.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.